Where is it? According to Google Maps, it's just before Quaker Bridge. Yeah, there's really no other way around. Not from here, anyway. That's not allowed. That's going on YouTube. There's an accident up here. I got bozos driving in the shoulder. I got another one. Another one for YouTube. And another one. Wow, all these people want to be famous today. And there goes another one. Driving in the other shoulder. And another one. W26AHX was that last one. New Jersey plate. Good way. You're all driving in their shoulders, so I don't know what you're beeping for. Looks like it might be left lane. I think people are moving to the right lanes. I'm not sure. It's difficult to tell. Yeah, I see right blinkers on. Ay, 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 what a mess. Yeah, the trucker to my left is blasting rock music. There's that VW bus I saw. I didn't think they still made those. Is it called a what? IO bus or ID bus? What does that mean? Yeah, you better let that truck in. What a mess. What a mess. I'm guessing they're cleaning up the road, whatever guts are there. Looks like they're towing away the accident vehicle now in the right field, which is going to make a bit of a mess now. But if that fire truck gets moving, that would be great. Yep, there it goes. How about that? That truck right there was on my ass for about a half mile, even though traffic wasn't moving. West Windsor Township, E45, or engine 45.